Cali Bamboo's newest line of composite decking, True Organics, is designed with brawn, beauty, and brains. Basically the decking heavyweight. This is the one you want in your corner, standing up to anything and everything. The next generation composition and CoreMax technology ensure higher tensile strength and resiliency, and a full protective wrap shield around each plank guards against stains, scratches, snow, and sun damage. That means you'll never have to spend any weekend sanding, sealing, or staining. And all that brute strength comes in quite a handsome package. Colors are inspired by some of the nation's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. A realistic wood grain captures all the beauty of traditional hardwood without the splinters, and is embossed more dramatically on one side and more subtly on the other, so you can customize your look. Extra long and wide plank options and a hidden fastening system mean simple, quick, clean installations, perfect for the DIYer. True to form, this latest Cali collection is smarter than your average decking, made of 100% recycled materials, 60% reclaimed wood fiber, and 40% recycled HDPE plastic, with no trees harmed in its creation. Watch more Cali product videos.